Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a couple of Happy Mails that I got that are yarn focused. Yes, so there are two different Happy Mails. One is from a wonderful person that watches my my live shows and watches my videos, Doris from Rose Cottage Studio, and the other one is a something I won off of Instagram. So, and I actually haven't even opened that one yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for coming back to my channel, or thanks for joining me for the very first time. I really appreciate each and every one of you being here. If you love all things crochet, yarn and yarn community, crochet community, stuff like that, then go ahead and go down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I go live or come out with a brand new video. Alright, but enough of that. Let's go ahead and just get started, okay? Alright, so first things first. Let me show you what I got from Doris Rose Cottage Studio, which, you guys, I've linked her channel down below. Look, she's trying to get the community tab, so go down there. She doesn't have any content at this time, but she loves to help fellow yarn tubers, so go down below, hit that subscribe button, and then she'll be putting out so she can get that community tab and get it posted out and start really helping people like she really wants to. So Doris is known for sending little special gifts to all of us yarn tubers, and I believe probably other people as well. I'm certain of it. She's just amazing like that. But I would love to show you what she sent me here today. So this is so cute. I thought it was going to be a card from her, but what she did is she left the card blank so it can be a card from me. But on the front of it says crocheting forever, and it's a blank card that I get to use to send to somebody. So I'm so excited for that. And her little note here says, this crochet card is for your use. Enjoy the yarn, Doris. And I'm so excited about this. So let me show you. And I actually haven't fully opened it. I looked at what the yarn was, but it's in its own little cellophane. So let me show you what she got me. You guys, okay, I go to this yarn store. It's an online yarn store. I go to it all the time. I fill up a cart and I go to like checkout, and it's like $500 later, right? And so I ended up not getting the cart. I will one day. I'll have a big order from there. Not $500 worth, but I'll get a nice size order from there. But anyway, look, she sent me some ice yarn. I am so excited to try it. I've been wanting to try some ice yarn for so long. So I honestly, I didn't know what brands and stuff. So I'm so excited to see what this is about. Now let me open this, and my guys, look at this color. You know what, you can't see it that well with the cellophane on it. So let me just kind of, that's something awesome about ice yarns. You get this resealable cellophane. What? Anyway, let me go ahead and open this up. A little extra tape on it. Open this up and take a look at this yarn, and I can already tell it feels so soft. Oh my gosh, so soft. What? Oh, and look at these colors, guys. These are so beautiful for this time of year. And the sparkle. What? Look at that sparkle. So she sent me a whole pack, like, you know how ice yarns, they come in this pack of a certain amount. And I'm pretty sure that I can get a hat and a scarf, or at least a hat and a cowl out of this. I think a hat and a cowl will work better. Anyway, let me see here. So I don't know what kind of ice yarn this is. It says Paris, so maybe that's the type of yarn it is. And then this is 30% wool. Guys, I can't feel the wool in this. I cannot feel the wool in this. 40% acrylic and 30% metallic Turex. And there's 50 grams of ball, 100 meters. They recommend a 5mm, it's a 4-weight yarn. They recommend a 5mm knitting needle, and I don't want to dig into this too much. me see. And then it's got washing instructions, but it's got wool in it, so I expect it's probably hand wash, or at least wash on cold and then lay flat to dry. So I suspect that's what it is. But so it says Paris yarn on here. I think that that's the type of yarn that it is, like the brand name of the yarn. I'm not certain. I don't know enough about yarns from Ice to know if that's Paris yarn, but let me know if that's like, you know, like you have charisma yarn from Loops and Threads. So is this the name of this particular yarn? And of course I don't know the colorway for this, but oh my gosh, it is so soft. It is so beautiful. Look at this color. What? I know I already did that, didn't I? But holy smokes, you guys, how pretty is that? I'm excited. I really think I'm gonna go ahead and make a hat and a scarf from I got so many hats coming, but I'm thinking I need more like beanies that have the messy bun beanies, because I always wear my hair in a bun, even when I cut it, because eventually I say probably within the next year I'm gonna get it cut because it's getting long, and what I do is I cut my hair and then I donate it. I know, I digress. Anyway, I still put my hair up, so I'm gonna need some sort of messy bun type of hat then too. So I also love my big hats with the pom-poms, don't get me wrong, I love those too. Anyway, I have my own built-in pom-pom. Great. All right, so that is the yarn that I got from Doris, and I'm so excited about this. You guys, don't forget, go down below, check Doris out, go give her a subscribe if you haven't. Like I said, she doesn't have any videos posted, but what she loves to do, she is such an active member of the community. Honestly, go do a search on YouTube for Rose Cottage Studio. You will see what I mean. She is a gifter. She loves to give, and just go give her a follow so she can get that community tab and get some information out and start helping people more and more and more. Okay? All right. So that's the ice yarn from Doris. I haven't opened this bag up, you guys, but I won this off of Instagram. So somebody had a contest and they were giving away some yarn to you and some yarn to a friend, whoever you tagged in the post. And you can tag as many people as you like, but if your name was drawn, then you and your friend would win the yarn. Well, my name wasn't drawn because I don't ever seem to be that lucky on those, but my friend's name was drawn and I was chosen to win this particular prize. So I think it's about time that I open this, right? And this is from Dazola Designs, and I believe she also has a YouTube video, which I will link down below. At a minimum, I will link her Instagram down below, but I will definitely link her YouTube video down below if she has one, as well as her Instagram. All right, I'm opening up this beautiful packaging, by the way. What beautiful packaging. Alrighty, so let's get this open. Cutting it open. It's so beautiful. I don't want to cut it, but gotta do what you gotta do, right? Okay. And look, it says thank you on it. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, you guys. I got 3 different colorways in here. Okay. She also put a little card in here. It says Melanie. Look at the little card. How cute. And in here it says, thank you so much for watching my something. I don't know what that says. I'm sorry. It says enjoy, and but look at how cute this little card is. What? Isn't that cute? So cute. Thank you so much, and thank you for sending this away and having a giveaway. As somebody who has giveaways as well, I know that sometimes it can be hard to get these things together and get things shipped out and everything. So thank you so much for doing this for all of us that enjoy your Instagram and other channels in which you post. Okay, so you guys, this is Moroccan Nights, and this looks like it is either a 2 or 3 weight. Hang on. It is a 3-weight acrylic polyester yarn. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. It is a 3-weight yarn. Each skein has 273 yards. Do you guys hear that? About to be a cat fight. Each skein has 273 yards or 250 meters, has 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And machine wash, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. And they recommend, oh, this writing is so tiny on here, you guys, a 4mm needle, or it says a 5mm hook. I would even go a little bit less. It all depends on what you want to make, but this particular colorway is called Princess. Look at how pretty this colorway is. So this colorway is called Princess. Moroccan Nights. So pretty. And this is a soft yarn. It's not like crazy soft. I wouldn't write home about it, but it's still a very soft yarn. I think will make a beautiful shawl. What do you guys think? What do you think? What should I make with these? Let me know, because I'm thinking these would make some gorgeous, gorgeous shawls. All right, so this next colorway, it's also Moroccan Nights. This next colorway is called Jasmine. Oh, and this is so pretty. Look at that. It's a mixture of the gray with kind of the peaches. How pretty is that colorway? What? So gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And it's super duper soft. Just an amazing feeling yarn. So beautiful. I love these colors in this yarn. So gorgeous. Alright, so the next one is, this one's called wait. So these are both Jasmine. Oh my gosh, this looks like a totally different colorway. But you know how this goes with this kind of variegated yarn, but yeah, they're both Jasmine. So the outside is going to have more of the gray on this one, and then the inside, and then I even see some greens in this. Yeah. Wow, wow, it looks like a completely different colorway, even though they're the same colorway. That's how much color is in this one skein of yarn. And I'm going to put the two colorways side by side like this, so that you can see why I'm like, what? This is Jasmine? Are you kidding? Really? So this, again, this is the Lion brand, and I will link to this particular yarn in the comments down below. These are the same colorway. Looking at these two, would you think they're the same colorway? I mean, I've seen where they get a little bit different, but you can tell they're the same colorway, but no. This looks like two different colorways, right? That is so cool. Alright, anyway, this is what I got for winning, or having my friend win that particular giveaway on Instagram. Like I said, this is from Anne of Dazola Designs, and I will link to her, definitely her Instagram down below, and if I can find her YouTube channel, I will also link to that down below. But this is so beautiful. Again, thank you guys so much for these gifts. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you checking out this yarn with me, or checking out these gifts with me, and enjoying this yarn as much as I have. If you love this kind of content, like yarn, I do Happy Mail, I do hauls, I do giveaways, every once in a while. I do them a little bit less. I do reviews, and if you like this kind of stuff, all has to do with crochet and yarn, then go ahead, go down below, click the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you're reminded each time I come out with a new video. And while you're down there, if you don't mind smashing the thumbs up for me, as well as leaving a comment, and let me know, what do you think you would make with either this ice yarn or with the Moroccan Nights yarn, or with both? Let me know what you would make with it. I'm thinking hat and cowl for this, and I'm thinking for the Moroccan Nights it would make a beautiful shawl. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you, and you guys have an amazing day. Bye bye. And I got a Stella coming. There she comes. Stella. Stella. What are you doing, girlfriend? Nobody wants to look at the back of your collar? It's a cute collar, but nobody wants to look at that. Come here, baby. Come on. Oh, stop your griping. Just sit down. Stop with the griping. Come on, sit down. All right, Stella's coming. She's about to get in the way. Oh, there she is. There's my Stella. Stella girl, I'm almost done. You couldn't wait. What? Don't stop marking the camera. That is not your camera. Come here, you. You guys, this is Stella, everybody. Isn't she cute? Look at her nose. Look at her nose. Look at her little nose. Can you see that? The little black heart. There's Stella. There's my Stella. Aww. She's so sweet, isn't she? Alright. Now she's mad because I have her in an awkward position. Alright.